Hello guys. Right, yesterday I mentioned gold had a massive daily break to the long side. I mentioned that there would be a pullback potentially. It was about 35 pips if memory serves me correct. I did actually put together a video about that, but it went on too long and sometimes they don't save, and it failed to save. Clearly we can see we got the RSI histo alert in the perfect configuration. Well, the perfect configuration should be a change of direction like this, a pullback and then the bust up and then the bust and break, or break and close should I say. The bust and break is the 20 bust, the level there, and the pullback and then the break and close is and this is all new to me, so I apologise. That's the best setup. That's A+++ because you've just changed direction. This is A+ because the pullback is not as a result of a drop below zero and then above. But having said that, on a daily chart we don't use this for the entry, we just fine-tune our entry to make sure that we have got it right on the lower time frames. So pullback I'm not going to describe in this one, I might describe in another video if I find time to do it. Continuation, which is as a result of this change of direction on a valid 3 candle reversal, so all good to go. So I know I said I was sitting out of things while watching price action and the news, but I don't watch the news. I'm not interested in what the results are really, because they're all in my opinion factored in, and the actual announcements make very little difference to how I trade. So all I was looking at was again this pullback scenario on the H1, exactly almost identical actually to that daily chart. You know, the major move, the pullback, the secondary move. H1, the major move, the pullback, and the secondary move. So here we once again have the bust up above the 20, massively bullish. It doesn't take Einstein to know that gold's bullish at the moment, but we have to know when to enter, and that's what the indicators and the price action tells you. So that was the bust up a couple of hours ago. That's the pullback. Here's the break and close. That is higher, guys, trust me. So I'm looking for longs. There's the pullback again, and I'm going to pull my trade onto this chart now. That's the trade there. Broke through a resistance level here, daily high. Let's put it on the 15-minute. You know, what can I say really, guys? Break and bust. I waited around till the news had settled down a little bit, so I didn't take the first break and bust. That's the original break above the 20. This is higher. Again, precise. Numbers matter. 1932, double check that, because it's got a funny way of reading out. Sorry, why isn't my mouse bringing that up? 1932, that's the same. Double check this one now. 21 again. 2132. Bob's your uncle. What can I say really? There's the pullback, the high, low, lower, high, lower, low, low, high, higher, low, higher, high, and close, and the trade. Oh, I can hear a digger somewhere around the place. Funny noise. And there we go with the levels as well. We've got the 250 levels. So sorry, I'm distracted by this digger going on. Don't know what they're up to. That's it, guys. 15 pip winning trade. Following the rules. I expected it to potentially hit this level. You know, these things, once they've had these pullbacks, massive pullbacks like this, then it's like a coiled spring. So as long as you're happy with whatever you're going for, just go for it, in my opinion. You know, look, you can. I entered on 2 rising green candles there as well, low, high. You know, guys, I've forgotten more than I most people have learned in this, and that's not being a big head. It's just the fact of life. 2B reversal going on here as well. There's swing 1, swing 2, swing 3. That's the level Sporandio would be interested in. As you can see, these were the poke bars, this one and this one. Look what happens once the price breaks through it. It uses them as support, becomes resistance becomes support, and off it goes. Again, the histogram is telling us it's all good. Massive, look at this, no momentum whatsoever here. Massive momentum and price movement here. This picture and this picture are 2 entirely different things. And there it goes. It looks like it's going to go there and beyond. What's the daily range? 3600, well 3700. We've got a lot of distance to go. We are breaking quite recent massive levels now, guys. So it's really having a big move. We've got this stuff over on the left hand side that I drew a few levels on. You know, we could easily go up to here, but again, the disclaimer, nothing of what I say should be traded. Do your own analysis, please, guys. Left hand side always takes precedence, so we could draw a few levels on there. I'm not going to do that now because I don't want to lose this video and I've got other things to do. So thanks for watching, have a good day, and trade safely.